This VATAS training video is going to focus on helping timekeepers determine what types of employees they actually keep time for. Oftentimes, when we teach the Title 38 hybrid, designated Title 38, and healthcare worker training, we get questions from timekeepers asking us, well, what type of employees do I have? Our response to them is typically, we're not sure what types of employees you have until we actually look at their VATAS timesheet profile. I'm going to show you in this video how you can check your employee's timesheet profile to figure out exactly what type of employee you have if you are not sure. And again, the four types that we are commonly trying to figure out are, is it a Title 38, a designated Title 38, a Title 38 hybrid, or a healthcare worker? We are currently logged into VATAS at the Timekeeper main menu, and we are going to go to Select Employees. I'm going to narrow this down to the current pay period by using the pay period drop down, and I'm going to type the first few letters of the primary timekeeper's name in the timekeeper field, and I will now search. The primary timekeeper's name is Jimmy Timekeeper, which is why I typed T-I-M-E in the timekeeper field. And I now have my results. I now have the 35 employees who, for the current pay period, have Jimmy Timekeeper as their primary timekeeper. Now, obviously, in VATAS, you will see actual names. I have named my employee, last name full-time, first name RN, which almost is a big giant flag saying this is a Title 38 employee. But you still may not be sure because you're not going to have names that say full-time RN. So you will need to again look at their profile. There's two ways to access the employee's profile. You can click right here on their user ID, the hyperlink, and as you see, it takes you directly into that employee's profile. All right? This is one way to get there. We're going to use our cookie crumb, breadcrumb hyperlink here at the top and go back to Select Employees, and I'll show you the second way to get to the employee's timesheet profile, and it is two ways to get to the exact same place. I put the check in front of the employee's name, and I then scroll down to the bottom and select Timesheet Profile. And here we are. If you have a copy of the Title 38, designated Title 38, Title 38 hybrid, and healthcare worker training guide, on each section we list what specific indicators or identifiers make up each employee type. In this example, we are trying to determine what type of employee, the employee whose last name full-time, first name RN, what type of employee they are. So the first identifier I want to look for is my premium pay code. The premium pay code for this employee is A, and that is correct looking at my identifiers. The user type needs to be B Title 38, and here we have user type B Title 38. The US code indicator needs to be L Title 38. Here is our US code indicator. It is indeed L Title 38. As we scroll down just a bit. Next, type of appointment, it needs to be 5 or 6, and it is 5. The night differential, so we're going to go down into our flags here. The night differential flag needs to be false, and it is. The Saturday premium flag needs to be true, and it is. The Sunday flag needs to be true, and it is. And finally, the tour differential flag needs to be true, and it is. We now know that this is a Title 38 employee. And that again matters. If we were building schedules that contained crossover tours, and if it was a new employee to VATAS, if it would matter if it was a Title 38 or if it was a Title 38 hybrid, because we would build those schedules differently. And we do have videos detailing how to build those schedule types, should you need those videos as well. But this is why it is so important to come and identify exactly what types of employees you have. And that again is what this instructional video is showing you. This is how to use the employee's timesheet profile to identify what type of employees you're working with. We're going to go back to our Timekeeper main menu. And that concludes this video. Thank you and have a great day.